What is the first step to buying a home?
Getting your pre-approval. We promise we're not blowing you off. We really need that pre-approval. That determines the price point that you should and shouldn't be looking in, and just sets that proper expectation up front. So you're not getting burned out before we even get you to step one in the process.
Yes. And this also helps you determine which loan type you qualify for. So there's FHA, VA, conventional, just to name a few. They each have conditions
that help us determine what home to look at, what we can and can't look at.
Yes. Your lender will also let you know your interest rate that you qualify for, as well as the closing costs. In some cases, we may have to ask the seller to help with closing costs, and we need to know this up front so we can put it in the offer.
Your pre-approval letter is required with all submitted offers. That ensures the buyer that you truly are in a position to purchase the home. The last thing any of us want is to go out, have you, the buyer, fall in love with a home that you're not prepared to buy.
Yes. So if you need help getting connected to a local lender, please reach out. We are happy to help you every step of the way.
Follow us for more tips.